Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of auction for Magento 2. And using this extension, the admin will be able to add auction for their products and the buyers would be able to bid on those products. Now the admin would be able to add, update and delete the auctions as required, and there are basically three types of auctions that would be used. The first one is the automatic one, the second one is the reserve price, and the third one is the incremental auction. This auction module supports simple, downloadable and virtual product types. So let's get ahead and let's see how this extension works. So we'll be going ahead and we'll be checking the backend configuration panel for the module configuration, and after that we'll be showing you how the buyers would be able to make use of the auction module for bidding on the products and the other parts as well. And we'll be also showing you how the customer would be able to make use of his wallet within the auction for Magento 2 module. So let's get ahead and let's go to the admin backend panel in the first place, and let's see what different configuration settings are there for the module. So the admin needs to log into his admin backend panel after the admin has successfully installed this extension, and the admin needs to navigate to stores. We'll proceed further, and under the webhook block the admin would find the auction menu option, and here we have a number of options so as to configure the module. So we have different options that are available here, and that can be enabled or disabled as per the requirement. Apart from that, we have the wallet settings for the wallet, and we have the email notification option as well. So let's get ahead and let's see what's there in the standard auction. So here the admin can enable or disable this standard auction, and the admin would be able to display or hide the current bid price, the bidder name, the auction price, the auction details, and apart from that the admin can also enter a message that would be displayed to the winner. And the admin can also enter the auction rule, so that was about the standard auction. Now coming to the increment auction option, here the admin would be able to enable or disable this as per his requirement and can set the incremental price range. So to set the incremental price range, you can click the add option button and enter your increments. For example, we have done it from 0 till 399. Now I'll go from 400 till 499 and the increment is 50. And to save the incremental option, I can click the save button to save it. Now in the case of incremental auction, a bid will be raised each time. It is predetermined based upon the current high bid. So in an incremental auction, if any bidder places a bid, then the current price will increase with the incremental price. For example, if you're the first bidder and place a bid of $30, then the current bid becomes $40. That is 30 plus the 10 that was the incremental price. And one more thing that is there is that no one can place a bid less than $40. So that was about the increment auction option. After that we have the automatic auction option, and under the automatic option the admin would be similarly able to enable or disable this auction as per need, and the admin can also configure other settings for the automatic auction, and including the auto bid price can be changed by the customers for multiple times. So if you select yes for this option, then the customers would be able to change the auto bid price for multiple times. You can select to use the incremental price or not. It depends upon you. You can also select no, or you can select yes as per your requirement. You can show the automatic price to the customers. It depends upon you. You can select yes or no as per your requirement. After that, you can show the automatic bidder's name if you want that to be displayed to the customers. You can also set the automatic bidder details to be displayed. You can also show the outbid message. You can select yes to show the outbid message, and you can also enter the outbid message. Let's go to the reserve auction option. The admin is only allowed to sell the item once the bid amount meets or exceeds the reserve price. So you can select require reserve price as yes or no as per your requirement. After that, we have the wallet settings. Here the admin can enable the wallet so that it is visible at the customer's end as well. Apart from that, the admin can also set the minimum amount in wallet to bid. So this is the amount that should be there in the wallet so as to proceed. If you want to deduct any fee on each and every bid, you can select it as yes. You can also set the minimum amount to add to the wallet and the maximum amount to add to the wallet. You can also set the wallet amount expire time in days. You can set the amount expiry notification start before. So here you need to just enter the number of days before which the customer would be notified about the amount expiry of the wallet amount. The admin can set the fee deduction percentage. For example, you can set the value from 0 to 100, and more than 100 is considered as 100. And the deduction fee refundable. You can select this option as yes. If you select this option as yes, then the deduction fee would be refunded back to the customer. Else, if you have selected this as no, then the fees won't be returned back to the customer. Please note that for this you would have you would have to execute your cron on a daily basis. Otherwise, the amount will not expire automatically when wallet amount expires. And lastly, we have the email notification options, and we have a number of email notifications to the admin and to the buyers, outbuyers. We have email notifications to the winner, to the bidder on submit bid, and others. You can also select to send email notifications to admin as well, and accordingly then you can select the notifications that need to be sent to the admin. And if you want the notifications to be sent to the apart from the admin to the buyer for the respective instances happening within the wallet system, then you can select no. After that, you just need to click the save button at the very top so as to save the configuration settings. So that was all about the main configuration settings in the admin backend panel. So that was about the auction for Magento 2 module. Thanks for watching this video and hope it helped you out. If you have any query or questions regarding this extension, you can always get back to us at support@webpool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webpool.ubdesk.com. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button that is visible on the video link. And thanks for watching this video.